Hey guys, so today let's talk about the great divide, the divide between front-end developer and front-end developer. So recently Chris Coyier, the founder of CSS Tricks and CodePen, wrote an article about the split between front-end developers. Basically the developers who know JavaScript and everything around it really well, and those developers who do the other things, so HTML, CSS, accessibility, style guides, those things. Starting out as a front-end developer, I was a CSS, HTML, jQuery guy. I made Ruby templates look really nice and made them work well for customers. Did a bit of UI on the side, messed about with Photoshop. And as my role progressed, so I guess as the industry changed, I moved more and more into JavaScript. And now I've become pretty much a JavaScript guy. I rarely write HTML templates. All the HTML in the JavaScript is JSX. And it's not to say that that side isn't valuable anymore. That side is really valuable. It's just that companies aren't looking for that. And as a developer in London, I haven't really seen many companies advertise, hey, we want a developer who just knows HTML and CSS and UI and style guides really well. All the front-end developers, startups or other companies in London want are those that know JavaScript really well. They know React, they know Angular, they know Vue. They just want someone to get their application up on the web, running smoothly, and get users make as much money as possible, pretty much. And it's unfortunate that there are those devs who have those skills that are really useful, but I haven't come across those as much. I think from what I've seen, about 80% of developers in London are the JavaScript type, and the rest are more the CSS and HTML type. Not to say that people who write JavaScript can't do CSS, but it's just not their main focus. And I think those type of devs, the ones who do UI and style guides, they either tend to be freelancers or tend to do a design type role in a big company. Whenever I go to front-end meetings or tech conferences, the majority of the talks are around JavaScript, C type things. There are talks on accessibility, which I think is important. Design patterns, style guides, those sort of things are really important. But from my experience, those roles are kind of put more to the designer, not really a front-end developer. And I know it's important, and I'd love to spend more time doing it, but as companies go, the focus is more on getting a product out there, having it stable, having it well built with tests, and unfortunately that's the way front-end development is going. Now there are dips and ups and downs. A few years ago, I want to say 4 or 5 years ago, the important thing was getting a performance site using CSS or whatever, gzipping, compressing images. Now it's focusing on JavaScript and making sure the site's performant on that side. And who knows, in the future it could be something else. It could be, hey, people are using WebAssembly now, so let's move on to that. It could be Closure, whatever, I don't know. But the front-end industry changes, and I think it's important that if you're a developer in the field, just be open to change with it. Don't try to stick to what you know and never move, because new things are coming out all the time. New frameworks, new ways of doing things. So yeah, there is a divide. I don't think it's as great as Chris wrote in his article, but there is, and I think it's slowly becoming less of a divide. Front end is now becoming JavaScript, and not so sought out after skills like writing efficient CSS, writing accessible code. It's kind of been pushed away, and that's a shame, and I don't have an answer for that. I wish there's a way everything could work together. Yeah, but that isn't the case. But I'd love to hear your comments. I'd love to hear what you think, so don't forget to write comments down below or hit me up on Twitter. As usual, like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.